You asked how to divide 1165 by 3 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 11. 11 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Bring down 6, making 26. 26 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 26 minus 24 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 388 remainder 1.